Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'm going to be opening the Accio Box for November. I've already received their October box last time and I loved it. Everything in this box is handmade Harry Potter items by fans, so of course it's really good quality, awesome stuff. I have the t-shirt from last month on right now, and I am ready to open this one, so let's see what's inside. As you can see, they have the same packaging. It's nice packaging, just, you know, a box, very simple with their Accio tape, and I think it looks really nice. All right, so let's open this up. Of course, we have the yellow tissue paper for Hufflepuff. So I'm gonna try and not look at what's inside, and I'll just grab something at random. So I already feel a t-shirt. Let's go ahead and pull that out first. And like I said, the t-shirt was my favorite thing out of last box, so let's see if they can top it or equal it at all. Demigeist Protection Society. That's right. This box is actually, I think it was a few dollars out of this box for every sale goes to the Protego Foundation, which helps with chimpanzees, whether they're from private owners or zoos or laboratories and things. This is a wonderful shirt. It says Demigeist Protection Society, so that's really cool. And then the back has the Protego Foundation on the back with a wand. I love this shirt, I do. I've gotten Geek Gear and Loot Crate, and their shirts are okay, but these are just kind of take subscription box shirts to another level, in my opinion. I love the designs. Let's see, okay, I've got something here. Feels like a pin, probably. It is a Thestral pin. This thing is really cool. And this is by Oddment and Tweak, at Oddment and Tweak. I'm guessing that they just do Harry Potter stuff. I don't know because I've never really looked them up, but I will. It looks like they do Harry Potter stuff, maybe just pins or maybe more. But I mean, it's definitely worth looking into because this thing is really nice quality. Let's see what else we have in here. I think there are 4 items in this box, maybe 5, let's see. So we got a keychain that says Muggle Worthy on it. And it's a tiger in a box. I'm guessing that is the company. We'll see once we get to the sheet that is kind of like an explanation of the items. But yeah, cool. Nice keychain. And next we have, let's take it out. Oh, I think this is bath salts. Swooping Evil Venom, Relaxing Salt Soak. Peach, Lavender, and Tea Tree. And this one actually is not too potent, like of a smell. Yeah, it's a very subtle but good scent. I like this one. It says the ingredients are peach, lavender, and tea tree essential oils, Epsom salt, pink Himalayan salt, coconut oil, and butterfly pea flowers. All right, let's see what else is in this box. I think there's only one more item, and it is a print maybe? Let's see. This is a Bowtruckle print. It says, seek the elusive Bowtruckles, guardians of the trees. And it says they're found in Scandinavia. And then what's left in here is the cheat sheet, basically, that tells you everything that came in the box. And I really like theirs because it's almost like the New York Ghost. Sort of, I think the last one was kind of like a Daily Prophet, so they really try and theme these rather than just giving you a print sheet in there. So that's really cool. Oh, I don't know why I didn't see this before. The keychain is Newt's Padlock. So yeah, it's good to read this because you might miss some things. So yeah, Newt's Padlock Snap Tab Keychain. So it says these adorable hand-cut keychains are the perfect homage to everyone's favorite Hufflepuff magizoologist. And they're stitched together with love by Rachel of Tiger in a Tornado. So if you want to find anything else by Rachel, you can go to tigerinatotornado.etsy.com. And the next thing we're going to look at is the Thestral pin. So it looks like the people of Accio Box met Oddment and Tweak this year at LeakyCon, and they got to talking and decided to do this Thestral pin just for Accio. If you want to see more of this stuff, you can find it at oddmintandtweak.bigcartel.com. And then next we have the Swooping Evil Venom, which apparently helps the user eliminate bad memories. Cruelty-free and vegan as always. You can find out more about the makers of this at lovegoodbathpotions.etsy.com. And the print, the Bowtruckle print. This is actually a Magizoologist recruitment print. And basically the subscribers get one of 4. So I got this one. It looks like there are 4 others here. And this was designed in-house by Accio Box. And all 4 designs are available at the acciobox.etsy.com. So if you want one, you can order one there. And there you go. That's it for this unboxing of Accio Box. If you want to order your own, I will leave a link in the description box below to Accio Box. I'll also leave a link to their Etsy shop if you just want to buy some individual things from them. And yeah, I'm looking forward to next month's Accio Box, and I will see you then. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.